Have you ever stood before a building so breathtaking, so audacious in its design, that it completely stopped you in your tracks? Structures that don't just house us, but inspire us, tell stories, and even seem to defy the very laws of physics? Today, we embark on a spectacular journey through the world's most amazing architecture. From ancient marvels that whisper tales of forgotten empires to futuristic titans that scrape the clouds, we'll explore buildings that push the boundaries of human ingenuity, artistry, and vision. Our first stop takes us back to the dawn of civilization, where engineering prowess truly began. Consider the Great Pyramid of Giza, a colossal testament to ancient Egyptian ambition and precision. Built over 4,500 years ago, its nearly perfectly aligned structure and sheer scale, constructed without modern machinery, remain an astonishing feat, baffling engineers to this day. Then there's the Pantheon in Rome, a marvel of Roman engineering featuring the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world for over 1,700 years. With its iconic oculus open to the sky, a timeless symbol of architectural genius. Moving through history, we encounter buildings where art and spirituality intertwine, reaching for the heavens. Take Antoni Gaudi's Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, a basilica under construction for over a century, whose organic, nature-inspired forms and soaring spires defy conventional architecture, bathed in a kaleidoscopic glow from its stained glass windows. Or behold the majestic Gothic cathedrals like Notre Dame, whose intricate flying buttresses allowed for impossibly high, thin walls, creating vast interior spaces flooded with light, transforming stone into a tapestry of spiritual narrative. In the modern era, architects have leveraged new materials and digital design to create truly audacious structures that redefine skylines. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, currently the world's tallest building, stands as a shimmering testament to what's possible when ambition meets cutting-edge engineering. Featuring a complex Y-shaped plan to maximize views and reduce wind forces. Equally impressive is Frank Gehry's Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, a titanium-clad symphony of curves that ignited the Bilbao effect, demonstrating how architecture can revitalize an entire city, turning a building into an undisputed work of sculptural art. Beyond grand statements, architecture is also evolving to meet the critical challenges of our time, embracing sustainability and adaptive reuse. Projects like the High Line in New York City transform abandoned elevated railway tracks into lush public parks, breathing new life into urban infrastructure and demonstrating innovative approaches to green spaces. We're seeing buildings designed for net zero energy, integrating solar panels and rainwater harvesting, and even structures that breathe with biophilic design, blurring the lines between nature and the built environment, making our homes and cities more harmonious with the planet. Ultimately, these amazing structures are more than just buildings. They are cultural narratives carved in stone, steel, and glass, reflecting the dreams and values of their creators and societies. The Sydney Opera House, with its iconic shell-like roofs, became an instant global symbol of Australia, a daring design that pushed acoustic and structural engineering to its very limits. Similarly, the ancient Forbidden City in Beijing, with its meticulously planned imperial palaces and intricate symbolism, narrates centuries of Chinese dynastic history and power through its carefully ordered layout and stunning craftsmanship. From the monumental achievements of ancient civilizations to the sustainable innovations of tomorrow, the world's most amazing architecture stands as a powerful testament to humanity's boundless creativity, engineering prowess, and enduring desire to build. These structures not only provide shelter but elevate our spirits, inspire our imaginations, and remind us of what is possible when we dare to dream big. Which of these architectural wonders captivates you the most? Or which one did we miss? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through extraordinary design, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our incredible world.